If the length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice its width and its perimeter is 24 centimeters, what are the dimensions of a rectangle? So here, let the rectangle be, I'll consider width as x centimeters. Then the length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice its width. So length will be 3 more than twice its width. So here, let the length of the rectangle, width of the rectangle. First I'll consider width, then length will be according to the width of the rectangle, x centimeters. Then they told very clearly length is 3 more than twice its width. So length of the rectangle, it will be like 3 more than twice its width. So 2x plus 3 centimeters. Now perimeter of a rectangle is given. Perimeter of a rectangle given is that 24 centimeters. So now if you write the formula, that is 2 times L plus B is 24. So 2 times length is 2x plus 3, width is x equals 24. 2 times 2x plus x is 3x plus 3 equals 24. 2 times 3 6x plus 2 times 3 is 6 equals 24. So 6x equals 24 minus 6. 6x equals 18. The value of x is 18 by 6. X is 3. Therefore, width is 3 centimeters. Length is 2x plus 3. So that value will be like 2 into 3 plus 3. 2 into 3 6 plus 3. That will be like 9 units. 9 centimeters. So length is 9 centimeters. Width is 3 centimeters.